What's up, everyone? I'm Jeremy. Just got in the Raptor, the black one, and I have not seen an unboxing video for it, so figured why not? I'll do one. Although I'm super tired because I woke up at 5 a.m. for a shoot, but I didn't want to wait until tomorrow. Open this up. I told myself I'm gonna do an unboxing video because why not? So here it goes. Man, packaging on this thing is solid. Okay, let's get the plastic off. Also came with CF Express card reader and one 660 gig card, but I know you don't really care about those, so let's get right to the camera so you can see it. Not really. I didn't even set this angle up properly. Don't have an overhead camera either, so whatever, I can see it. That's more important. Can't even get the foam out. Jesus. Comes with this card. Register your V-Raptor, which I guess I will do. Wow, I'm struggling to get foam out. They really have this in there, damn. Okay, there we go. Oh boy. Wow. Look at that. The V-Raptor. This is about what I expected weight-wise. It's 4-pound camera, but it's pretty small. So I guess I should take the little plastic off on the screen. Damn. What a pretty camera. I thought about getting the white one, but for two reasons I didn't. One, I didn't have the money at the time, and I like the black one more, actually. I mean, I wear all black all the time, all my gear is black, so why not keep that consistent, right? Okay, well, I shall cut to when this is actually built and probably show some test footage as well. It's a pretty camera.